In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple client onboarding workflow in Basecamp that keeps everything organized and running smoothly from day one. We're going to walk through how to create a dedicated project for each new client, collect everything you need from them, manage your own internal setup tasks, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. By the end, you'll have a repeatable system you can use over and over again. Start by creating a brand new project in Basecamp. Give it a clear client-specific name, something like Onboarding New Client. This keeps all of your communication, files, and tasks in one place, separate from other work. As soon as the project is created, invite your client into it so they have access to what they need and feel included in the process right away. Inside that project, you're going to create two main to-do lists. The first list is for your client and will be called Items We Need From You. This is where you'll add tasks like signing the contract, sending brand assets, sharing access to existing tools, or filling out any intake forms. Think about everything you typically chase a client for at the start of a project, and put it here so it's visible and easy to follow. The second list is for you and your team. Call this one Internal Setup. Here, you'll add tasks like setting up Slack or another communication channel, configuring invoicing, creating folders, or any internal prep work you do behind the scenes. If there are items you don't want the client to see, use Basecamp's private option on that list so your internal steps stay just for your team. Next, open each to-do and assign it to the right person, usually your client for their list and your team members for the internal list. Add a clear due date for every task. Basecamp will automatically handle the reminders and gentle nudges, which means you don't have to send follow-up emails asking if something got done. Inside each to-do, add any instructions, links, or files your client needs. For example, you might link directly to your contract, upload a brand questionnaire, or include a short Loom video explaining what to do. The goal is that they never have to dig through old emails or ask where to find something. It's all right there in the task. From here, you can simply watch the progress. Whenever a client completes a task and checks the box, Basecamp sends you a notification. You'll always know exactly where things stand without sending just checking in messages. Once you've refined your lists and you're happy with how they're laid out, save them as a to-do list template in Basecamp. That way, the next time you bring on a client, you can spin up the same onboarding structure in a single click, keeping your process consistent and saving yourself a lot of setup time.